Hello, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video is how to measure the success of Instagram marketing efforts. When it comes to Instagram marketing, it's easy to get lost in the world of content creation and keeping up with the trends at the end of the day. It's all about results. You need a way to quantify and understand what exactly all of those Instagram posts and stories are achieving for your business. So first is keep an eye on your competitors. Instagram breaks down engagement for Instagram business accounts using metrics like, just to show you an example, here's some of my insight of my post. Your account should be turned in professional to show you Instagram insights. So go to your profile on the lower right corner of the screen and tap one of the posts to see view insights. So there I will press view insights. You can see the comments, likes, shares, and saves. If your post is effective, you will see a lot of engagement in the form of likes, shares, comments, and saves. In order to calculate your engagement rate, you will need to look at these markers when you compare the number of followers. If you are new to the world of Instagram marketing, you might be wondering how on earth you could possibly know how your competitors are doing. So next is use right hashtags. Instagram is the most hashtag-friendly social media platform out there. It allows you to truly use hashtag to your biggest advantage. There are many reasons why so many brands are moving to Instagram. However, unless you are tracking your performance closely, knowing exactly which hashtag to use and what the ones you are using are actually doing for you can be the most impossible. Instagram Insight is a great place to get started. You will want to get started by taking a look at the Instagram Insight for a single post. Under the Discovery section, you'll see impressions broken down into a few categories. So this tells you exactly how many impressions your post got you to hashtags you chose. You want to use a variety of hashtags on all of your posts to test them against each other. So next is figure out which posts perform well and drive traffic. Making social media content becomes a lot easier once you know what your audience respond well to. When you track popular content, you know what kind of content your audience likes and make more like that in the future. I hope that this helps. If you have any questions about this tutorial, please leave them in the comment section below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and like.